Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 27th of June. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. Your person has the Two of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I have the 10 of Cups. With that, there could be a lot of feelings, okay? Mutual love for each other. There's a lot of passion. There's also a lot of, emotional connection that both of you feel for each other. Now what I'm seeing for you is you have the Knight of Pentacles. With that, you're walking very slow, and that could be because currently you're focused on your finances with this Queen of Pentacles energy. You want to put in more energy there. However, you also understand that money is not everything, and you will at one point in time, you have to take that step back to understand that people in your life are also important. So that is what is causing you a lot of doubt, a lot of confusion, because at one point in time you definitely want to spend time with this person, build your relationship, but this is another side where money matters are also equally important is what I'm seeing for you. Now what I see for person B is they have the Two of Cups. With that energy, they have a lot of love for you. They have that emotional connection with you. They want to go ahead and share that love with you. They want to tell you how important you are for them, okay? What I see is this person has offered that pentacle to you. So with this Page of Pentacles, they have a very childlike energy. They have offered that pentacle to you, and they eventually want to build on that pentacle and take it to the Four of Wands energy, which is the 1111 card. They want to have a very committed relationship with you is what I'm seeing here. Now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is the Chariot card. The next one is the Page of Pentacles, and you have the Star card. Now with the Chariot card, that's Cancer energy. So either you or your person could be dealing with somebody who's a Cancer, or it could also mean that with this particular energy, you want to rush in and you want to take charge, you want to move forward, okay? The next card, which is the Page of Pentacles, again with that one particular pentacle, you want to offer that pentacle to them, and eventually you would want to build on this particular relationship, because how you see this person with this Star card, which is Aquarius energy, you see this person as your wish fulfillment, okay? That is something that you have always been wishing for. That's what I'm seeing here. Now let's quickly go ahead and take one card here to see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is the Celestite. The crystal message is, are you hearing messages from your angels? Have you noticed your life flows easily as if divine timing is working in your life? Peace is yours. You have a team of angels on your side, illuminating and orchestrating your life. They respond to your thought, wishes, and dreams according to the divine plan. So this one is definitely saying that you are guided. You have your spirit and angels guiding you in every step of life. So don't be too worried about how things are right now, okay? If things are not going in the right direction, you will eventually you will be guided to go to the right direction, and you will get what you are looking for in life, okay? Now that's all that I have for you for this particular week. This message that I have from Archangel Uriel, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. You can read it from there. And again, till the next video, please take care of yourself wherever you are in this world, okay? And if you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.